Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see different options to know how to use Bing Chat GPT on Windows. Chapter 1. Validate Bing Chat on Windows. To start, you will click on the search box in the taskbar. Enter a word, and to verify that Bing Chat is active, you will see the chat icon in legend. In case you do not see it, click on the Start menu and then click on Settings. Then go to Windows Update and check for available updates that are installed, since some may be from Bing Chat. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Now you're going to go to the Apps section, then you will click on Installed Applications. Here, let's check that Microsoft Edge is installed on Windows. After this, open the Edge browser. Confirm that you are signed in to access Bing Chat. Chapter 2. Turn on Bing Chat on Windows. To get started, open the Start menu and click Settings. Now you are going to go to the Privacy and Security section. Then, click on the Search Permissions option. Next, you'll go to the Cloud Content Search section. Confirm that the Microsoft account switch is enabled. Now go down a little more, and in the More Settings section, check that the switch is active. Chapter 3. Use Bing Chat on Windows. To start, you will click on the search box in the taskbar. Enter a word, and in the displayed results, click on the option Open Results in Browser. As a result, we will look at everything associated with the term that has been indicated. To use Bing Chat, we will click on the word chat and automatically start searching for that term in Bing Chat. If you want, you can click on any of the conversation methods available for more specific results. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.